Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, let's talk about a lipstick that promises a long-lasting, creamy finish with a semi-matte texture. If you're on the lookout for a lip product that combines both durability and comfort, Kiko Milano's Unlimited Stylo in rosy brown might be just the thing. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a deeper dive into the details. This lipstick comes in the shade 09 Rosy Brown, a beautiful neutral brown with subtle rosy undertones. It's designed to work for all skin types and features a stick form, making it easy to apply on the go. The semi-matte finish offers the best of both worlds, the smoothness of a creamy formula without the glossiness or the dryness that some matte lipsticks can leave behind. For those who want to look chic and polished, but don't want to compromise on comfort, this might be the perfect match. When it comes to performance, I can tell you that the Kiko Milano Unlimited Stylo doesn't disappoint. It glides smoothly onto the lips with no tugging, and the pigmentation is impressive. One swipe gives you a full, vibrant color. The texture feels incredibly creamy, which is great for those of us who struggle with dry lips. I found that the lipstick doesn't settle into fine lines, which is often a concern with long-lasting formulas. That being said, it does dry down to a semi-matte finish, so you do get that sophisticated look without any of the excess shine. Now let's talk about wear time. This lipstick is marketed as long-lasting, and I'd say it holds up fairly well through the day. I didn't experience major fading after a couple of hours, even after sipping water and having a snack. Of course, the color does wear off a bit if you're eating something oily, but that's to be expected with most lip products. The bonus is that it fades evenly, without leaving behind any weird patches. One thing I particularly appreciate is how it feels on my lips. It's comfortable and doesn't dry out my lips like many long-wear formulas tend to do. It's soft, almost like a balm, yet still gives you that velvety, semi-matte look. It's a balance that not every lipstick manages to strike. On the flip side, the packaging, while sleek, does feel a bit basic compared to some other luxury brands. It's functional, but not as weighty or sophisticated as I expected for a product of this caliber. That's just a minor thing though, considering how well the product performs. When it comes to value for money, I think this lipstick offers a great balance. It's affordable, especially for the quality and wear time it offers. Compared to other long-wearing lipsticks that can feel uncomfortable or drying, Kiko Milano's formula feels like a treat for your lips. So, if you're after something that's both effective and easy on the wallet, this is definitely worth considering. If you're looking for similar alternatives, there are some great options out there in the semi-matte category. For those who might want to explore a different price range, products like Maybelline's Super Stay Matte Ink or Max Matte Lipstick might offer a similar feel, though the formula can vary. To sum it up, Kiko Milano's Unlimited Stylo in Rosy Brown offers a solid combination of comfort, wear time, and pigmentation. If you're after a lipstick that delivers on its promises of lasting power without sacrificing comfort, this one is definitely worth checking out. It's ideal for those who want a no-fuss, everyday lipstick with a sophisticated finish. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.